Good morning, students. In this video, you will know the use of update command in referencing table. Actually, why we use update command in referencing table? If suppose you have two tables and any changing that you will do in one table, it will have reflection in another table. Okay, now I will be going in MySQL. So let me go to MySQL. Here I will give the password. Now I am going to use the database test. In this, I am going to create the two tables. Okay, first table that will be product and other table will be sales. So I am going to create table product. First field will be product ID, that will be int primary key. Okay, second field will be product name. Okay, that will have varchar 25. Okay, now check it. Create table product ID int primary key, product name varchar, and then 25, and then enter key. So first, let me go to MySQL. Now here I am giving the password using the database as test, and now creating a table product. Create table product. First field will be product ID, which will be integer data type, and it will have constant primary key. Next one is product name, that will be varchar 25. Okay, now I'm going to press enter key. First table I have created. Now the second table, which will have the referencing with the table product. So I'm going to use create table. Now the table name will be sales. Okay, sales ID, that will be integer, and it will be also the primary key. Okay, now the next one will be product ID, which will be integer data type. Okay, these two fields I have taken. Now I'm going to make a link with the foreign key. So I will write here foreign key. Now, which the field that you have to take, that is a product ID. So I will use product ID, and this I'm going to have references with product ID of table products. Okay, so I will use references product and then product ID on update cascade. Now, what it means? Yes, this statement shows that the product ID which is available in cells, that is going to make a link with the product ID which is available in product table. And on delete, on update cascade means that any changing I will do in cells, that changing will take place in a product ID of product table as well. Okay, now let me press the enter key. Now both the tables I have created. Now one by one I am going to insert the records. So first one, I'm going to insert in product. Okay, first one and the second one A. Here you can see, my dear, this refers to my product ID and this refers to my product name. Yes, same way I will make some more records. Okay, first one, now second one, that will be product ID 2 and product name, suppose BBB. Okay, now the third one also I'm going to create, that will have the product ID 3 and the product name CCC. Okay, only 3 I'm going to take it. Okay, now the next one I'm going to insert for my cells, my dear. So insert into cells values. Now see what the fields you have in cells, cells ID and the product ID. That two information I will give here. Okay, so here I will give 101 as the cells ID and 1 as the product ID. Okay, now same way I will use 102 as the cells ID and this one as the product ID, 2 as the product ID. Same way I will continue with the third one also. This is 103 and 3. Okay, now I'm going to check the data of product and the data of cells. Okay, so these are the two tables which I have created, my dear. Now students, I'm going to use update. Now, how I'm going to work? See, first of all, I will use the command update. Now, on which I have to update product. Set product ID equal to 666. Okay, where product ID equal to 2. Here you have to understand, students. You see, my dear, what I am using? I'm using this product. This product refers to my table name, this table name. Here what I am saying, yes, there the product ID will be set as 666. When the product ID is 2. See, my product ID is 2 here. So here what I am going to do, this 2 I am going to change into 666. Listen, when this changing will be done here, then automatically the changing will be done in this one also, because it is also having the product ID. So 102 will be as it is, but this 2 will be changed into 666. Now, let me press the enter key and show you. Now I'm going to show you. Select star from product. Now watch it, the product. Here you see BBB, that is having, yes, 2 as the product ID, but here it has been changed into 666. Now I'm going to work on the second one. You see whether second one will be shown or not. Second one is select star from cells. Now compare here in the cells, you see it, my dear. Yes, where you have your product ID 2 that has been changed into 666. You can see it. So this is the benefit of update command in MySQL, especially in database. I hope you have understood these all topics. Thank you, my